Jane Amompire, the Natural Resources Officer for Rubanda District, highlighted the extensive community sensitization efforts that have been underway to educate locals about the importance of wetland restoration. She emphasized the community's willingness to support authorities in this crucial environmental preservation endeavor.
I've embarked on the restoration process. It has been a long process because we took much of the time explaining to the communities the vital ecosystem services the wetlands provide. So today we have come to implement, and the communities are aware, like you have seen, and they have already consented that my team took almost 2 months sensitizing them. By the time we came, there was Irish potato here growing. It had not yet matured. So we told them, when it matures, harvest, don't plant again. So now you see what they have just planted. They know we have already stocked, and we don't implement. But today we have seen that at least the district officials are here to implement the presidential directive.
Amompire pointed out that a staggering 95% of the wetlands in Rubanda district have already faced degradation, underscoring the urgent need for restoration measures.
The level of degradation of wetlands in Rubanda district is at 95%. This is one of the smallest patches that had remained, and communities often called us to preserve what is remaining. As we talked, they emphasized that they are also benefiting from this small wetland, small patch that is left, and they told us that they get handcraft materials, they get mud fish, they also get building materials. They also put their apiary. So it was their alarm, it was a whistle-blowing issue that we come and protect at least the remaining one.
Eric Sewandigi, the Deputy Resident District Commissioner for Rubanda, who oversaw the campaign launch, stated that they are acting in accordance with a presidential directive that mandates leaders to ensure the restoration of wetlands. He issued a warning to locals resistant to the initiative, cautioning against any efforts to impede the campaigning process.
Big here today is purely to launch the restorations of wetlands in Rubanda. I want to thank the community members for understanding and for accepting to restore these wetlands. It is a launch for the district.
While the campaign has garnered support from some members of the public who applauded the initiative, there are mixed reactions, with some individuals expressing concern and requesting more time to prepare for potential eviction from wetland areas.
Hanyuma kurira umuranga gwa president Museveni go kugira ngo tugaruhe bisharara kandi bakatwegesa no mu gashuguri mu kubigarura rushangira ikiri kirungi nanyaje ntikanyejumbire mu hururege harahi batabire baturenda batugumisiriza abantu bateremo tusiri kwabo bamanza batwihemo.
The President of Uganda, Yoweri Kaguta Museveni, underscored the critical importance of protecting environmental assets during the 61st Independence Day celebrations in Kitgum district. Museveni emphasized the assets such as wetlands, forests, rivers, lakes and water towers are vital for providing essential life-sustaining resources like air, water and food, and therefore must be safeguarded. Reports indicate a concerning 30% decline in the national area of wetlands in Uganda between 1994 and 2008.